Hello everyone, I want to show you something special. This is our code in CSS and HTML, and this is our web browser. And in this, if we import anything or we write anything in our code, then it will automatically change directly in web browser. So let's start. We give you some example. So in this text decoration we put like underline, and देखिए in this underline automatically change, underline automatically comes in this web browser. And after that, if we enter overline, overline, then overline automatically come, you can see. And if we want to this line in the middle of this name, then we write through line. The line automatically come, sorry for that, in the mistake of th, the line automatically come in the, sorry for that, it is not through line, it is line through, line through line. The line automatically come in this middle of the name, you can see this line automatically come in the middle of them. So our web browser directly link to our HTML code. If we change any in our program, then automatically change in our web browser. Thank you.